Hello everyone, this is a continuation of dictionary data types from second module. So in this video we will see the methods, key, values and items. So here keys is a function which helps you to fetch all the keys from the dictionary. Values are the methods which use to fetch all the values from the from the dictionary, and items will fetch you key value pair from the dictionary, means all the key value pair from the dictionary. So see here we have a spam with color red, age 42. Color is a key, red is a value, and age is a key, 42 is a value. For v in spam, for v is a value from spam dot values. So spam dot values from v, print v. So it is printing all the values from the dictionary. And if I use k equal to spam dot keys, for k equal to spam dot keys, then print k will print all the values. And if I use items, then it is printing print I for items. So for the help of for statement we can do this. So if I go to the program, I'll give spam. What was my first value? Color. Color is, sorry for that, red. Ages 8. So what I'll do, spam is equal to open flower braces. Sorry, I have used parenthesis. So spam is a dictionary now. If I use spam dot keys, so it is giving direct keys, it is having all the keys inside. If you want only access to the keys, then we can make use of for statement like here. Or if you just want to use the function, then we can directly call the function. So it gives the dictionary values are, means these are dict is representing dictionary, and keys from the spam are color and age, which is converted to list and giving the values, and dict values are this. And if I give key items, spam dot items, which fetch you key value pair. Key and value pair is of the spam is fetched with det items. So this is how key value functions are used in this function. So here this is about key value item methods. So next one is key or value existing in dictionary. We have to check through in not in function, which is same what we saw from the list method, where you are having a dictionary spam and in spam dot keys. So here we have to specify is it a key or a value. So name in spam dot keys, if the keys contain name, then it returns true. Next one is spam values. Here checking Zophie. So if it is in the values, then it returns true or else false. And not in works exactly opposite. If it is not in the dictionary, it returns true. If it is in the dictionary, then it returns false. So not in works for not method. Next one is get method. If you want to get the values from the dictionary, and instead of using directly the key value to fetch it, what we will do, if a key is present in the dictionary, it returns the value. If the key is not present, then the value will be returned as an error. To avoid that, we make use of get function and with some value to it. So here it's having panic items, means we have a dictionary called panicked items with apple 5 and cups 2. I am bringing a string panic item since values are in integer values, so we are converting it to strings. Dot get cups comma 0. If the cups present in panic item, the value will be printed. If not, 0 will be printed plus cups. So I am bringing 2 cups, it has 2 cups. And then next one is I am bringing string panic items dot get x comma 0x. See, panic item has not having x, so it prints 0 instead of giving error. So if you use panic items x directly, since x is not present in the panic item, it gives error, but not with get method. If you use get method in the fetching the key values, then it returns the next value, like alternate value, which get method is providing instead of error. This is about get method in dictionary. Next one is set default. So set default is a method where you can set the value for, means you can add one value, means one extra value to the spam for the key. If the key is present already, then instead of returning the error to update, it will return the same value because it is already present. So if we take the spam name Poca and age 5, if color is not in the spam, you have to update name spam color equal to black. Means you are checking whether the color is present in the dictionary or not. If not present, then you are updating it. But what if the color is present? Then in this function doesn't work. It's like two statements to update and check the value present or not, then update it. But these two statements of execution is converted with one statement with the help of set default method. So spam dot set default color comma black. Since the color key is not present in the spam, color black is updated to the spam dictionary. After updating this, if I again want to update color comma white to the spam with set default, it returns black because color black was already updated. In the sense, color key was already present in the spam method, spam dictionary. So instead of just generating an error or updating to new value, it is telling color is already present with black, so that you cannot update to white for color data type. This is about set method, and we have one example program where we use set default and start updating the count. So message is, it was bright cold day in April and clock where is round. Like count is a dictionary for the characters in the message. For each and every character in this message, we have to count this dictionary value with each alphabet and number of times they are appeared in this string. So this will execute and see the function. So if I go to program, so this is our program where we have a string message and we have to start counting the values. So let me execute this. So this output has the values like, for the string it was bright cold day, I is 1, T is with 6. So it counts all the character including space, number of spaces it has. So I'll explain you how this works. So character, each and every character in the message. So I is one character. So we'll consider I for the first for loop, I as a character in the message. Count dot set default. So count is a dictionary count set default function is adding the character I, comma 0. So I is present in the function, so count character, count I is equal to count I plus 1. So count I was 0 first, so count was 0 first, count I as added with plus 1, so count I is 1. Next one is T. So for the for loop character, next character is T. T in message, count dot set default T comma 0. T is 0 now. Count T equal to count T plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So T is updated to 1. So on if you keep adding, when another T comes, T was 1. So character was T. T's value was 1. T comma 0. So count character T value is 1. So T plus 1 means 1 plus 1 is 2. So it keeps on update for all the character, means for taking all the character from this string from the for loop and sets the default value. If the value is already present, it fetches the value. If it is not present, it gives with T and update the dictionary for the new value. Once it is updated, then it fetches the value and adds the value and means update the dictionary. So by updating the dictionary, you get all the characters. So it is fetching all the characters including space, and it counts the characters and give the value, and that will be updated to the count. When we have initialized, count was empty dictionary. When we are printing it, count is updated with the values of dictionary. So this is about the program, means example program for counting the characters from a dictionary. So next topic we'll see in next class. Thank you.